Guys, welcome back on my channel. My name is Elijah. So today guys tutorials, I'm going to be showing you how to download free ebook from Amazon and eBay, from all your ebook stores out there online. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing you guys have to do is to go and open Safari and go on Amazon and look for your ebook, the ebook that you are looking for. That's what you are going to be doing right now. So I'm going to be looking for a ebook. So I think I'm going to go with Flutter. Flutter is actually a programming language that Google released recently. Flutter for beginners. I made a mistake over here. Come on, come out here. Here it is. I'm going to go with this book. Flutter for beginners. You go on Google and you type Z library. I'll leave the link to this website in the description. You click on here and you go on books. So as you can see here, you can find all your ebooks on here for free. You can download them literally for free. So what you have to do is I'm just going to copy the title, the first title here, Flutter for beginner. You copy and you paste it here. Mind you, this work for all the operating system, Windows, Linux, all the operating system you're on, it's actually working. Even Android. I'm going to search and let's see, yeah, there it is, Flutter for beginner. I'm going to click on there and I'm going to click on download PDF so that I can download it. But it has a limit with this website, so if you want to download like unlimitedly, like 10, for the moment you can only download 10 books per day. But if you want to download more than 10 books per day, you have to sign up on their website and you'll be able to see all the books. As you can see on their website, you can also find some suggested ebook that you can also download. There's pretty much everything. Pure mathematics for beginners, you can also see it. If you are interested in mathematics, you can also come over here and download the book about mathematics, Pure Mathematics for Beginners. You download it and everything is actually working. Programming, all the topic, you can find it on here. They have about 77 million ebooks on this platform, articles, and 5 million ebook. So I'm just waiting for the book to finish downloading to show you guys how it's working. So I'm going to open directly. Yeah, here it is, Flutter for beginner, an introduction guide to Flutter, and this is the end. So as you guys can see, everything is working. You can read the table. Your book is actually working. You're able to read your 498 books, 498 pages. This is not a preview, it's a full version of the book. I'm going to prove it to you guys. So you can see it's 494. It's something somewhere like 479 pages. 479 pages of the book. So here it is. You can actually learn. So I'm going to show you that also here it's 479 pages. Yes. Yeah, I can't see where it is. table of content. This is the table of contents, everything. And if we go back to the book, it has the full table of content. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. You can actually download the book and everything is actually working. So if you guys really did enjoy this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll be able to answer to everyone who asks me a question on this video. And if you guys really like this type of content, tell me what would you like to see next in this video. The first person who would comment on this video will get a shout out into my next video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.